You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So this name, well, it depends where the origin of the person. It's often associated with, it's often a Chinese name. In Mandarin, it's said as Lu, Lu. Now, if you're talking about French, it's said as Lu, Lu. It's a famous brand of biscuits, Lu. In Italian, Spanish, and a lot of other countries, it'll be said as Lu, Lu. So, yeah, that covers it, I think. More videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.